Well, it is all about fuchsia plants today at Blooming Junction, and I'm with Ron. And Ron, I can't believe how many you have on those tables over there. How many?
We have about 50 varieties of fuchsias, hardy fuchsias.
That is just amazing. It's just an ocean in the shade house there. It's
it is.
pretty
yeah,
cool.
It is. It's incredible.
So you picked out some of them. And
yeah.
so let's talk about them.
Okay, I picked out some because I found them to either be their new varieties or interesting varieties, beautiful colors, contrast in size, and we'll just go down the row and talk about them. This one's called Lottie Hobby. It gets about a foot and a half tall, kind of spreading, cute little fuchsia flower on it. This one here is a Groen's Cons. This is a rather new one. This will get about 30 inches, and it's just got a beautiful orangey, peachy
that's really
color.
unusual.
It is very unusual. This one's called Cat Jan here.
Aww.
This one gets a couple feet tall, and you'll see it's got a very small, tiny little flower.
So much diversification. Really cool.
There really is. There's a lot of diversity in the leaf size. The Speciosa over there by you.
This one?
Yes, has a rather large leaf. That's a beautiful plant. That one's been around for quite a while.
Very nice.
This one here is called a Golden Herald, and this has got the beautiful golden contrast to the leaf, plus your classic fuchsia flower. A lot of people like this here.
The hummingbirds must just have a blast here. They're so well fed.
Yes, there's a lot of hummingbirds out in the shade house. This one is an interesting one. This is called Erecta, and this one doesn't necessarily have a pendulous flower like most of the fuchsias do. It's more erect, that's the name.
Yeah, very cool.
This one right here is a double auto. This is your classic fuchsia, but this one has just an enormous flower on it. This is one of my favorites. This gets about 2 to 3 feet tall.
And really, they bloom all summer?
All summer. In fact, when people ask me for something that blooms all summer in part shade to shade, fuchsias are usually where we go because they just continue to bloom all season long.
And then what about their care, though? There's a little bit different planting. That's kind of a newer idea.
I'm of the belief that you can plant your fuchsias low, not quite as low maybe as a tomato plant, but lower than you would normal plants. I think it protects in the winter time too, and it conserves water, and it also will accept a little bit more sun that way, and with mulching. My fuchsias at home accept dry shade. I don't really water that area in the summertime, and they do very well.
That is cool. And so that would take a couple years to get a really nice root ball.
Right.
That's really interesting, though. I mean, it kind of expands where we could put them in the garden.
That's right, sure does. Here we have Yolanda Frank. This is a beautiful one here. I like the contrast in the petals there. And then this is one of the DeBrons. This one's a smoky blue.
Wow.
This is a rather new one too. That's just a beautiful one there.
A little more upright.
Yeah, and this is Fusionaid 88. And I love this one for the color. It's just got a fuchsia color. It's a beautiful, beautiful flower.
We so love them in baskets, but to have them in a ground or even in a container, we can do that.
They do great in containers, yeah.
That is nice. Well, this is such a beautiful place to come, come out for a drive, get out of the city and come out and enjoy the fresh air and the sunshine and get a fuchsia. If you have any other questions, please go to Garden Time and we'll click you over to Blooming Junction website. Thanks so much, Ron.
Thank you.